Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful paper quilling Ganesha Fridge Magnet. Isn't it looking very cute and very beautiful? And this is very easy to make. This is super teeny mini Ganesha which you can create in this upcoming festival for the gifting. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I have created this Ganesha outline on white cardstock which is 250 GSM in thickness, and I have created this inside 8 cm diameter circle so that we can create the base, and inside the base the Ganesha will fit nicely. And also I have given the template of this Ganesha in description box. You can download from there and just print it on white cardstock. Now I'll quickly paint the Ganesha base using acrylic colors. I will prefer to use acrylic or chalk paints only because when we will do the quilling work it will not smudge with the base. For all the body parts I am taking flesh tint shade, and for dhoti I will use blue color, and for the ornaments I will use yellow color. So the painting work is done, allow it to dry. Then I'll show you how to fill the body parts. For this I am taking peach color strip in 3 mm and just creating some loops in increasing order. So according to the size of the base you have to create the loops. Here I am taking total 6 loops. Secure the end using glue and just pinch it nicely and make it little curved in a shape. So similarly I have already prepared some shapes, and I'll start adhering these shapes one by one with the base. So just like I said before, according to the length of the base size you have to increase or decrease the number of loops. Here I am making the outline for the Ganesha, and for this I have used dark peach color. To stick it nicely, here I am using pointed tweezers. So all the body parts are done. Now I am filling this one by one using light peach color loop petals. Do it very tight and close with each other so that it will get filled with all the design nicely. So the ears are also done, and now I am making the stomach portion. So it is round in a shape, so I am sticking my loop petals in circular manner. And this is also done. Then for the jewelry part, here I am sticking pearl chain beads. And then I'll start filling the dhoti part using light blue strips, medium blue and dark blue color loop petals. Similarly, I am going to fill the other side of the dhoti. And for the laddu, I have created this triangle using one strip of yellow color in 3mm. Now I am adding some small pieces of pearl chain on top of the crown, and then filling the remaining portion using some basic quilling shapes in yellow color strip. like this. Now I'm just decorating a little bit more using some stones. I have added gold ball chain as a necklace. Then adding 2 small black color circles. These are paper circles for eyes. Then it's time to do the fussy cutting. So from the outline I am cutting this very carefully using the scissors. And the super cute Ganesha cutout is ready, which is filled with paper quilling shapes. Very pretty. Then to make base, here I am taking this designer paper circle which is having 8 cm diameter and taking the similar size cardboard circle. So I am sticking the designer paper on cardboard. Then taking one maroon color cardstock circle which is having 9 cm diameter and sticking this designer circle on top of the maroon circle. Just eyeball it in the center and then stick it. Then here I am taking 1/4 strip of golden color in 2 mm and making one tight coil. Similarly, I have already prepared some more tight coils. So now one by one I am going to stick it around the designer paper circle. So this is done, and then for the next layer I am sticking the beautiful golden ball chain. Like this. So the base is ready. It is looking very beautiful. Now on back side I am sticking the strong magnet. Allow it to dry completely, then we will stick Ganesha on this. So taking back the Ganesha, add nice quantity of glue and stick it exactly in the center of the base. Like this, allow it to dry for a few minutes, and the beautiful paper quilling Ganesha is ready. You can create these Ganesha magnets to gift it to your nearer and dearer ones in this upcoming festive season. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.